Dropbox charges $12 a month for 2 terabytes. Nextcloud gives you unlimited storage for the price of your own server. The reason is simple. Dropbox is a corporation that must extract profit. Nextcloud is open source software you control completely. You deploy it with one command, Docker Compose Upd. A single YAML file defines the stack. Nextcloud server uses PHP, JavaScript, and MySQL. 3 services, 3 containers, 1 network. Your data never touches a foreign cloud. It stays on your hardware behind your firewall. After the containers start, you open a browser. A setup wizard asks for an admin account and database credentials. You enter them. The login page appears. You own every byte. No third party scans your files for advertising signals. No algorithm decides what you should delete. Nextcloud runs on a Raspberry Pi with 4 gigabytes of RAM. It also scales to 100 users on a dedicated machine with 64 gigabytes. The same code base. Now what can it do? File sync works like Dropbox client software. A desktop application mirrors folders to the server. Mobile apps upload photos automatically, but Nextcloud goes further. It includes collaborative document editing through Nextcloud Office. That is a fork of LibreOffice running in the browser. Multiple people edit a spreadsheet simultaneously. Changes merge in real time. A calendar and contacts sync with any CalDAV and CardDAV client. Thunderbird, Apple Calendar, Outlook. No additional subscription. There is a built-in mail client that connects to your existing IMAP server. An RSS reader, a password manager called Passwords that stores credentials encrypted with your own key. You can share files with external users via public links. Password protect those links. Set expiration dates. Control whether recipients can upload, edit, or only view. The tech stack determines these capabilities. PHP handles the server-side logic. JavaScript renders the web interface. MySQL stores metadata and database structures. Every feature is a PHP class in the apps folder. The repository on GitHub has 35,805 stars. That number grows daily. Now the reality check. What is good? What is missing? Good. Nextcloud is free, self-hosted, and extensible. Over 200 community apps exist. A calendar plugin, a Kanban board, a music player, a photo gallery. You install them from the App Store inside the web interface. No command line needed. Missing. Performance on low-end hardware is poor. A Raspberry Pi handles 1 or 2 users. More than 5 simultaneous syncs cause response delays of several seconds. The Office suite loads slowly on documents larger than 20 megabytes. Security updates arrive frequently. The release cycle is 3 to 4 weeks, but you must apply them. If you forget to run Docker pull and restart the containers, known vulnerabilities remain exposed. The mobile apps are functional but not polished. Photo upload happens in the background, but the interface lags compared to Google Photos. Video playback requires the official app. Third-party clients often fail. File versioning is built in. You decide how many versions to keep, but the default setting of 50 versions consumes disk space quickly. A 2 gigabyte file changed 50 times uses 100 gigabytes. Monitor your storage. The collaboration tools lack the polish of Google Workspace. Real-time cursor positions appear with a half-second delay. Comments and suggestions work, but track changes breaks for complex formatting. Now the call to action. Star the repository on GitHub. The address is github.com/nextcloud/server. Subscribe to Open Sourcery for more comparisons between paid services and free alternatives. Nextcloud replaces Dropbox. It replaces Google Drive. It replaces Office 365 for basic editing. 1 server, 1 stack, 0 monthly fees. You host your own data. You update when you choose. You decide who sees what. That is the binary choice. Pay a corporation or own your infrastructure. The command is Docker Compose Up. The result is your private cloud. The price is your time and your hardware. The alternative is a monthly bill that never ends.